Oh yeah, let me throw you some money. I'm just gonna fan through these dollars.
Hey, you want a lap dance?
Sorry, there's a breeze coming.
There's a breeze?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Feel it?
Am I blowing you away?
You are. Your lives are.
Am I blowing you away?
I think that gentleman would like some attention.
My eyes are on you. I'm going to save you a really special lap dance.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, excellent. I can't imagine
Later.
how it feels.
I'm going to give you the magic mic.
Okay.
It's magic.
Yeah.
Like hocus pocus.
What was that sound? Do you have something wet down there? Are you alright?
Be right back, man.
Alright. Alright.
Alright, let's get it on.
Let's do. Oh wow, you're quick.
Yeah.
Okay.
You like it? You like it? You like it? Yeah?
I did, yeah. Oh, you're all up on.
Don't touch it, man.
Oh,
sit down.
are you wearing a microphone?
You strip and I sing at the same time.
Oh, Chris, let me just move my chair over here.
Move your chair closer.
Oh, it's tied down actually.
It's tied down.
Oh, okay. Did you hear that?
You want to get tied down? You want to be tied down?
I'm kind of ignorant.
You.
It's one of those whips that makes the sound before you throw it. That's great.
Yeah.
I'm impressed. There we go. Oh, I got ready for that. You're giving me a warning with the sound. You're still listening. No, you're tough.
I am tough.
Yeah.
I am tough.
Actually,
you're sweet.
Thank you.
You are sweet.
Thank you. That is.
Yeah, sit down.
Sensitive. Okay. Oh, got it. I think I need to run to the bathroom.
Dude.
Yeah.
It's not hot alone.
Yeah.
Alright, I do a lot of shit up in here, but not that.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
So you ready for the magic mic? You ready?
I'm ready. What can you tell me what the magic mic is?
Well, it's a little bump and grind. A little tea bag. It's a little hide the salami.
I think that's your cue. You're back on stage.
Yeah. Alright, thank you.
Yeah, no, thank you.
You know, you've got a really nice body, man. You should come on dance.
I don't know. I think I'd be real insecure with the pole and whatnot. But do you think I should try it?
I think. Look, here's a pole right here. Come on,
There's one drunk fan who wants me to. I'm doing it.
Maybe if we had some. Maybe if we had some really good, slow, grinding music.
Yeah, that'd be great. I like silence better.
Are you hungry?
No, just dance on music.
Get the music in your head. It's awesome.
Yeah.
Go with it. Go with it. You know what? I'm gonna.
Can I use this break? Can I use this pole? How do I get on this?
Get on it.
Oh.
Ooh. Hold on. Let me.
Yeah. Can you grease that up?
Yeah. That's all good right there. You are gonna slide right off that. You are gonna slide right off that. You know the name of the club, right?
I don't. What is
Swamp Crunch. A lot of people are into that, so I hooked you up. They're all greased up. Maybe if you took off your shirt and pants, you'd feel better.
I mean, I could, but I need to use it first.
Maybe if I had some, maybe let me turn on my boombox. Because it is 87.
Right, of course.
Hold on.
I don't really like this song. Can we do another one?
Let's see if I can change the station.
It's weird. You pressed the tape button the first time. It's weird.
Well, you know what? It's one of those new radios.
It is. I'm impressed.
After all, it is 87.
I thought it was awful.
This place is haunted. It's like swamp crutches from the past.
Oh my god. Oh, what's going on outside? What's outside? I see some lights. Are we getting
Oh,
busted?
that's paparazzi. That's the paparazzi.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's really like. I think they're shooting BB guns at us. I think we should get down.
No, I'm not afraid of them. I'm used to it.
Okay.
When you start burning the effigies, that's when I call out.
Oh, burning effigies, yeah. Yeah,
BB gun's fine. My tires are slashed. Whatever.
Right,
Part of the fun of it all. So you gonna take your shirt off? I can oil you up.
Is that your tire? Because I think that was your tire.
Last call for strip dances. Last call for strip dances. It is now 11:55.
Dude, this is your big chance.
This is my chance. This is my chance. I know.
Yeah, come on, I want to see it.
Thank you, one fan. I love you too.
So, yeah. Take it off, man. Show me. I think you can show me some moves.
Alright, let's do this.
Make it special.
I'm sorry, I got thrown off by the music.
Make it special.
Can you tell the paparazzi to be quiet?
I'll do the best I can.
Okay.
Listen, you go out there, start slow, take off your shirt, work the crowd a little bit. It is a Masons convention out there tonight.
Right.
So those guys are
And they are horned up.
They are horned up. They can't talk about it.
Right.
They can't tell you what they do in their meetings, but they'll tell you what they're going to do here. Alright? And maybe you could give them a lap dance. The front row are all paraplegics, so... See if you can't really get it moving,
Really
get
work the
something
hips.
moving, maybe the neck, I don't know. Because I think you really have a future in this. Let me...
Oh my god, are the lights flashing?
No, the lights aren't flashing.
They're not flashing?
I think you're nervous.
Okay, I think
Let me
yeah.
your shirt. Yeah. Let me get you greased up. Yeah.
Oh, what are you... Is that glue? Are you waxing my chest?
No, man, I'm not waxing your chest. Small pretty much.